I don't want to be part of that. Really? And this guy's right.
Yeah, I told him.
Hey, whoa. You know what? You're a dick. No, you can take my spot.
Like you have like a full bag, it means it's not my fault.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
You okay?
Awesome.
All right?
You good?
Yeah, we're all good. Everyone here is good. We're good, and soon on our fucking station.
Did you guys rob a convenience store or something?
No. Yeah, more or less.
Everybody's got like 3 bags.
If you can believe it, we actually shopped at a convenience store. I'm not sure that's like something that actually happened in the city, but we did that.
We robbed it.
Well, you have a bag, so obviously you paid for your goods.
Yeah, baby. There's some serious testing out going on right here.
People just can't handle it.
I can't handle it. Exactly. I do get that joke, and that is great.